Alright, hey guys, it's Pure Chief here. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart an Xbox 360 controller. You're going to need a T10 Torx driver, probably a security drive. You're going to have a screw here, 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 and there'll be a little sticker on yours. It'll be under here. Good. You're going to take these apart. I usually take my controllers apart quite often, so I just went ahead and drilled out the security bits inside of the screws. That way I wouldn't have to find my security bits anywhere. Alright, that's the last screw, so you're gonna... the back should come off first. Sometimes it'll be a little stubborn. What your inside of yours looks like. Just gonna pull it apart. And that's how you take it apart. Alright guys, thanks for watching.